Welcome back to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today's video is gonna be on this beautiful look I'm wearing. This is my Valentine's Day makeup look. So this is perfect date night look. This is a bold look, as you can see, and I loved creating this. And also I'm gonna be reviewing a new brand in this video, which is called Bellora. And oh my god, you guys, I am in love with this lipstick. This is how the packaging looks. This brand is totally clean. It has so many good ingredients which are good for your skin. This brand creates makeup that doubles up as skincare. So they are cruelty free, which is superb. Their products are infused with bioactive to nourish your skin. So I'm so impressed that brands are coming out with clean makeup and toxin free makeup, which is super healthy for your skin. You don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals. So yeah, I got 4 products. So one is their Bellora lipstick. This is the shade I'm wearing right now, and oh my god, the packaging is so luxe. I love the packaging. This is a total kiss proof lipstick. As you can see, there is no transfer whatsoever. I have their primer. Also, I got their BB cream. So this is their anti-pollution cream. This has SPF 30, and this is their hydrating primer. I am in love with this primer. It's so hydrating. You can wear this on its own. This is made with natural and hydrating ingredients. It has all the good stuff. So this has vitamin B, C, and E, and hyaluronic acid, which is superb for your skin, and it locks your moisturizer in your skin when you apply something which has hyaluronic acid. This is their BB cream. I believe they have 3 shades, and I hope they will be coming up with more shades. So today I have this on my face. I've used their primer and their BB cream. So the lipstick is super lightweight. I don't even feel anything on my lips right now. It's not drying whatsoever, even though it is a super transfer proof lipstick. So this is definitely my favorite. The lipsticks are gorgeous. They have some really great colors. Go and check their website. Also, I have their kajal. This is called Cold Kiss Intense, and oh my god, it's literally butter in the form of kajal. It glides so smooth and buttery. Oh my god, you totally create a smoky eyeliner look with this. Also, you can create a smoky eye with this. I will surely be using this and showing you how to do that. As soon as I saw that this brand is totally toxin free, I was really intrigued and thought to give this brand a try. You will be seeing me using all these products in this video. So, want to see how to achieve this gorgeous romantic makeup look? Then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this primer, Prime Natural Hydrating Primer, and this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a pea size maybe on my finger and just rub it and apply wherever I feel like I need some primer. And right off the bat, I can see this primer is really moisturizing. The consistency is really thin, so it's giving me a very moisturized look, which I'm loving. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more on my forehead and my cheeks. So this primer is really lightweight, and I can see that it's giving me this tacky feel, which will be perfect for the BB cream or the foundation you're gonna go for. So this has extract from grape seed and green tea, provide unique antioxidant action, enriched with vitamin B, C, and E, along with hyaluronic acid for ultra hydration. So this retails for 699 rupees. And yeah, so this is their primer, and it's really good. So moving on to the BB cream. So nowadays I've started loving using BB cream because I don't want that heavy looking cakey foundation look nowadays. I don't know why I'm just not using anything of that sort. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use their BB cream. This is how the tube looks. I love the purple color. So this is their BB Natural Anti-Pollution Cream. It has SPF 30, which is amazing, and this retails for 599 rupees. This is how the consistency is, very creamy texture. So I'm just gonna rub this like so and apply this on my face. The fragrance is really good. It's not too harsh. I'm really liking it. So now for some extra coverage, I will be using a Huda concealer. So this is in the shade Cookie Dough 14N. Now I will be using this concealer underneath my eyes and a little bit on my nose and my chin. And obviously I'll be covering my problem areas because the BB cream doesn't cover that much, but it gave me a good coverage, so I'm happy with that. So I am going to be baking. I'm using my Kat Von D Lock-It powder. So I'm just gonna bake underneath my eyes, a little bit on my chin, and wherever I feel like I should lock my makeup. I'm not baking for too long. So my face is looking really white, and to just warm it up a little bit, I'm gonna be using my Marc Jacobs Fantastic Omega bronzer, and I am gonna take a big fluffy brush and apply this on my usual areas wherever I like to bronze, to just add that little bit of warmth in my skin. Also, I'm thinking to use their lipstick, which is this gorgeous magenta color. So this is in the shade 14 Beetroot Mauve, and this is how the color looks. I am in love with this color. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to be using this on my eyes and my cheeks. So let's see how that goes. This is a total matte lipstick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this lipstick on my lips, and then we will be using the lipstick on my cheeks and my eyes as well. So pretty. This color is amazing and perfect for Valentine's Day. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this shade on my cheeks and my eyes as well. So I'm just going to take a little dot right here. Oh my god, it looks so good on the cheeks as well. So you can totally rock a liquid lip on your cheeks. That's totally allowed. As long as you blend it really nicely, you can totally rock this look. And oh my god, it gave me such a pretty flushed look. And there's always a beauty blender if you just mess things up. It's looking so pretty. And also I'm going to do a little bit on my nose as well, which is super in right now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that and blend a little bit so that it's not blotchy, and give this a nice run in my crease. Oh my god, it's too loud right now, but I will make it work. So the key to using liquid lipstick on your eyes is keep blending. You will get there. See how blended and how gorgeous it looks. This is turning out to be a really monochromatic look. So the last product from them is a kajal. This is how the packaging looks. It's really nice. So this is their Kohl Kiss Intense, made in Germany. I'll be using this pencil on my eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this on top of my eyes and then smudge it with a brush. Let me show you how gorgeous this pencil glides. It's butter, like literally butter. So I'm just going to apply this like a liner, and then with the help of a brush I'm just going to smudge it out. So it will be a smudgy eyeliner look. Now with the help of a small smudge brush, I will just take this product and start smudging that like so. So I love creating wing, and I think this look is incomplete without a wing and some eyelashes. So I'll create a wing and come right back. So now my liner is on. I've just smudged it a little bit, and now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and apply some mascara. And for my mascara today, I'm using my Estee Lauder mascara. And now also I'm going to show you guys how transfer proof this lipstick is. So here it goes. No transfer at all. And last but not least, I will be using Becca Champagne Pop to just highlight the high points of my cheeks, and I'll put that a little bit on my nose. So I have my lashes on, and this completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Check the description box. All the products I've used will be in the description box. And you can also avail 15% off on Bellora website using my code, which is Gagan15. So if you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and also you can DM me. I reply to all your messages. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.